Okay, Miss Alana here, and we are working on today's math practice. It's Thursday, March the 10th, and this is number 6. All right, so read the directions with me. It says, find the difference in temperature between the two thermometers. Okay, read it again. Find the difference in temperature between the two thermometers. Okay, so what kind of tool do we have here? This is called a thermometer. Say the word. Thermometer. Okay, good. And what does a thermometer measure? It measures temperature. And temperature is what? How hot or how cold something is, or how hot or cold the weather is. Okay, so let's look at the two, and let's start with the first one. Okay, so here we have 10, 20, 30. Is it exactly on a 10, 20, or 30? No. So we need to look at it and count. So here we have 10. And look, just like a number line, let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this first thermometer is what? 17, what's the unit? Degrees. And it's a tiny little circle just like that. Okay? Now what about the second thermometer? What's the temperature of that one? Oh, look, it's right on 20 degrees. 20 degrees. Now, that's not all you have to do. What do you have to do now? Find the difference. And what does that mean to find the difference? Okay, to find what's different about it, but in math, we have to do something. Is it add, subtract, multiply, or divide? We have to subtract. And remember, the difference is the answer of a subtraction problem. So when we subtract 17 and 20, I told you before, what number do we write first? We write the bigger number first. So which number is bigger, 17 or 20? 20. So the 20 goes on the top, minus 17. Okay? Now, lots of ways, different strategies you can use to count that. Let's subtract the way that we've been doing by subtracting the ones, then subtracting the tens. All right, so let's look right here. 0 minus 7. Show me 0. Can you take 7 away? Oh, no. So 0 has to do what? Borrow from a friend. Number 2, can I borrow? Okay. So number 2 becomes a what? A 1, and the 0 becomes a 10. So now we subtract 10 minus 7. What's that? You should know. What's your fact family? Or count up from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what? 3. And then 1 take away 1 is what? 0. So what was the difference? 3 degrees. So you can write 3 degrees like that, or you can write with the word 3 degrees. All right, so I have a question for you. From start to the end, did the temperature increase, that means go up, or decrease, go down? So remember, increase goes up and decrease goes down. So did it go up or down? It went up. It increased. So if the temperature goes up, does that mean it gets hotter or colder? Hotter or colder? It gets hotter when the temperature's up. So, it got hotter by 3 degrees. Although, you know what? 17 degrees and 20 degrees, that is still freezing. So, that is too cold anyway. But I'm glad the temperature is going up just like it is outside. So, thumbs up. If you got this, you know how to compare thermometers. Yay!